Are you looking for the best convection ovens? In this video we will look at some of the best convection ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville BOV 845 BSS Smart Convection Oven. The Breville BOV 845 BSS Smart Oven is a step up from what we've seen so far. The word smart gets thrown around in marketing materials these days, so it's hard to really know what it means from product to product. In this oven, it relates to the Element IQ technology that transfers the heat to 5 different quartz heating elements to provide you with even and powerful convection oven cooking. This is a step up in heating technology, and you'll really notice the difference when you cook perfect food every time. You can tell that it's a more expensive product as well, because of the LCD display. Instead of using big, chunky buttons to navigate your way around the oven, you can select from 10 cooking options on the display. These include the standard presets we've seen before like warm, broil, and bake, but they also have a really useful slow cook option. This allows you to cook for up to 10 hours at a low heat, so you can perfectly cook a piece of meat. If you really care about your food, this option is a game changer. It's also got an interior light and an awesome cooking rack that auto-ejects when you open the door so you can see the food without having to put on an oven glove. Number 2. Cuisinart TOB 260N1 Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart TOB 260N1 Chef's Convection Toaster Oven comes with unique accessories such as 2 racks, a pizza stone, which can take up to 13 inches, a recipe booklet for great cuisines, a crumb tray that can be removed, a broiling pan, and a deep baking pan. It has one of the most unique heating features which gives adequate results. When toasting bread and making pizza, it allows you to select the number of slices to be toasted and the size of the pizza, in order to determine the temperature that will be used to make the pizza and to toast the bread appropriately. It has several cooking functions for meals and dishes, and a unique dual feature that can prepare 2 different dishes at separate levels and temperatures. It also has a plus 30 seconds feature that allows for an additional 30 seconds when preparing dishes, as well as 2 separate convection settings, one which allows easy powering while preparing meals, and another to speed up the process. The oven light function can be turned on without opening the door, and this oven has a non-stick coating which ensures easy cleaning. Lastly, we can't forget to mention the 4-rack interior design, allowing you to adequately choose between the 4 level positions for more space options. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. If you're looking for something a little bit more affordable, you should consider the BLACK+DECKER Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. It's around half the price of our best choice product, but it still offers most of the functionality. The main difference is that this oven is a little bit smaller. It has 2 rack position, so you could technically cook 2 things at a time, but it's really not big enough for family cooking. They do make up for this lack of space by making the interior curved, which means it has room for 12-inch pizzas or 6 slices of bread. It's absolutely perfect for someone living alone or with a partner and don't own a pizza stone. It comes with a baking pan and a broil rack, and a removable crumb tray at the bottom of the interior. This provides you with enough options to cook a number of dishes, but it's not the most versatile oven on the list. It does come with a range of easy-to-use digital controls. Like the last oven, it has time and temperature settings, but this one has even more specific settings. You can choose from bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, frozen snacks, potatoes, or cookies. This is super useful for someone who is going to use this as their everyday cooking appliance. It's also got a slightly longer 120-minute timer with auto shut-off, for when you've got the time to slow cook something to perfection. Number 4. Cuisinart TOA 60 Air Fryer Toaster Convection Oven. Cuisinart TOA 60 Toaster Oven from isn't technically a convection oven, but we thought it deserved a mention anyway. It combines a standard toaster oven with air frying technology, which is very similar to the way convection ovens work, but they circulate the air faster and are often much smaller. Without going into the specific details, this is better for smaller meals and will sit nicely on your countertop without taking up too much space. It can do pretty much everything that a convection oven can do. You can broil, bake, toast, and air fry food, which means you can make everything from toast to hot wings. Your cooking options are condensed into 9 preset cooking functions: air fry, convection bake, convection broil, bake, broil, warm, toast. The interior is made from non-stick materials and it's got an interior light so you can keep an eye on your food as it cooks to perfection. Plus, it's got a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off to stop you from leaving it on if you forget. Number 5. Nuwave Breville Pro Smart Convection Oven. This air fryer toaster oven utilizes the latest 2024 upgraded ultra-fast convection system along with top and bottom heating elements to cook your food quickly and evenly, virtually eliminating temperature fluctuations even when cooking on multiple racks. Compared to other brands, Nuwave offers twice the uniformity and efficiency, saving you both time and energy. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven and air fryer, 10 functions include air fry, air roast, grill, bake, broil, bagel, toast, dehydrate, reheat, frozen, waffle, pizza and keep warm in an all-in-one, powerful, 1800-watt appliance. Adjust the ratio of top and bottom heaters from 0 to 100% and convection fan speed for different types of heating zones. To bake a perfect thick pizza, set bottom heaters at 70% power and top heaters at 30% for crispy crunch crust and perfectly melted cheesy toppings. With the upgraded convection system, the temperature difference between each layer is only 0 to 1 degree Fahrenheit, making multi-layer cooking more even and efficient than ever before. Save a lot of time and energy.